So I'm going to do a review here of Josh's Snack and Candy Reviews here of FUNYUNS Steakhouse Onion flavored rings. So I finally found this at Target. Didn't find this at Walmart. I found this at Target. So I guess this is supposed to be something similar to the Bloomin Onion from Outback Steakhouse, but I only had like once because the closest Outback Steakhouse is actually not that far from me, but it's quite far. It's about an hour or two away from me. So I haven't had a Bloomin Onion in quite some time, but I guess that's what this is supposed to be, something like that. And of course, they're not going to call this a Bloomin Onion because that's like trademark to Outback Steakhouse, I think. I don't know. So it says Steakhouse Onion lovers, we got you. That zangy, zesty burst of flavor and crunch you'll love is back and tastier than ever. Enjoy delicious experience of onion, blossom, and dip flavored every ring. So let's give this a try. And they also have minis. I didn't know they had minis of the FUNYUNS. Let's give this a try. Smells pretty good. You know, these are actually pretty good. I wasn't expecting these to be that good, but they're actually pretty good. These kind of just taste like the original FUNYUNS, but there's like an added flavor, an added like sauce flavor to these. The sauce kind of reminds me of the Burger King Zesty Sauce that I had yesterday with my onion rings from Burger King. That's what the sauce kind of reminds me of, or the flavor. These are pretty good. Give these a 7 out of 10.